Hello, students. Today we talk about the persons who made Indian history. You know, there are many Indians whose name have been recorded in the history of India. These persons are popular in Indian history by their activities. Maybe these people belongs to different periods or different state or places in India. So let's try to understand about these people. So first one is Ashoka. Ashoka was known as Ashoka the Great, was an Indian emperor of the Maurya dynasty who ruled almost all the Indian subcontinent, and he is the last major emperor of the Maurya dynasty. So which one is Ashoka? This is Ashoka. So beside the name of Ashoka, we have to write down the number 4 because this is Ashoka. Second one is Akbar. And you know, Akbar was the third Mughal emperor, and the full name of Akbar was Abul Fateh Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar. Shortly, we call them Akbar. So which one is Akbar? This is Akbar. So you have to write number 5 beside the name of Akbar. Second one is Kalidas. And Kalidas was a classical Sanskrit author. He was a Sanskrit author. So you have to put down number 1 beside the name of Kalidas. Next one is Chhatrapati Shivaji. Actually, this Chhatrapati is the royal title from the Indian subcontinent that was mainly used by Marathas. And Chhatrapati is the symbolic word which means the protector of people. So this is Chhatrapati Shivaji. So beside the name of Chhatrapati Shivaji, you have to put down number 2. Next one is Maharana Pratap. And this Rana Pratap Singh, which is popularly known as Maharana Pratap, and was a king of Mewar. And this Mewar region present in the northwestern of India. Now it is known as Rajasthan. So this is Maharana Pratap. So beside the name of Maharana Pratap, you have to put down number 10. Next one is Rani Lakshmi Bai. And the Rani Lakshmi Bai, also known as the Rani of Jhansi, was an Indian queen of the Marathas. Now, this state of Jhansi present in the north portion, and it is called Jhansi in Uttar Pradesh. So this is Rani Lakshmi Bai. You have to put number 8 beside the name of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Next one is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an Indian nationalist as well as teacher and also an independence activities. He is very popular for his independent activities. So you have to put number 9 because this is Bal Gangadhar Tilak So you have to put number 9 beside the name of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next one is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, popularly known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian statesman and he served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. So this is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and he was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India, and he also playing a leading role in countries when our country struggling for independence. So you have to put number 7 beside the name of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next one is Mirza Ghalib. Actually, Mirza Ghalib was an Indian poet. So this is Mirza Ghalib. So you have to put number 3 beside the name of Mirza Ghalib. And last one is Lala Lajpat Rai. This is Lala Lajpat Rai. And Lala Lajpat Rai was an Indian independence activist, and he played a pivotal role in the Indian independence, and he is popularly known as Punjab Keshri. So you have to put number 6 beside the name of Lala Rajpat Rai. So these few Indians are very popular in our Indian history. Thank you.